Okay, day 3 here in Thailand, shopping day pa rin. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Krung Tung Plaza, wherein mostly is for plus size. So, maghanap tayo dito ng damit for my mama. Yan. Let's go. Cute. Fake color. May ganito ko eh. Tingnan nga natin kung...
Asa? Hindi mo naman ginagamit.
Tingnan mo. Ganda. Nagamit ko nung nasa Hong Kong Disneyland. Magkano kaya? Hello, how much?
Different price, up to the design. Different price. 240.
240, one.
If you buy it for P2, you get wholesale price na. Wholesale 190.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wholesale 200.
200. Okay. I'll come back. 250. Medyo mahal. So, para siyang 168. Okay dito kasi aircon. Parang maganda to. Hello, how much? This one?
280 wholesale.
280. How about retail? Only one.
Minimum 2, only one 350 baht.
350.
Yeah. 1 350. Yeah. Wholesale 280 each. Minimum 2.เปิดประมูลของ
Cute. How much? 110. How many pieces for wholesale? 3. Okay. 3 size. Okay.
ตัวเนี้ยโหรอบที่พันเอาไปตัวนึงนะรอบที่1,100แล้วเนี่ยรอบที่เท่าไหร่ไม่รู้ที่เท่าไหร่แล้วอะทั้งเสื้อยืดทั้งอะไรเนี่ยทางคนละมาแล้วก็2 ลายเนี่ย
Ito ma. Ay, parang mahal sa kanila. 390. Parang... Ganda. Ganda. Maray-maray. Ay, parang maganda yung black. Oo, kasi mas mababagayan mo ng Oo. Yung black na lang. P, how much for this? P? How much?
This one 300.
300? If I get two? 250 each? This one, 250 each.
This one 250.
How about this one? You discount? 250 each?
Discount already, madam. 300 and 250.
250.
Yes,
Mhm.
wholesale.
No try?
No try, madam. You want color?
Okay, we'll get this one. Yes. 100 lang, oh. 100. Hello. This one all 100? Ah, okay. This one only 100. Ito lang daw yung 100. This one 150.
200.
How much?
350.
350.
180.
Okay.
คราวหน้าก็ให้น้องถือรังระบายมา
This one. Kaso mahal, 350. Meron sa online eh. Tignan ko nga. Look. Akyat tayo ng... Anong floor na to? Third floor. Medyo classic lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka cute. Sakto lang. Cute na. Ito mo, 250.
ไม่แล้วเขามาแต่ละครั้งเขาบอก
Ay, kaso parang ang laki niyan sa'yo.
Super ganda mga sis. Cut 2 blue, cut 2 pink, and cut 2 choco. Isuot natin. Combination siya
Magkano ka?
ng cream and choco. Ang heart, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Tapos yung short niya mga sis is plain color lang po. Okay, code tayo ng cut 2, cut 2. Ayan, i-up mo, cut 2. 760 pesos. Cut 2 pink.
Men. Ito yung t-shirt, oh. Kaso parang masyadong malaki. Hello. For plus size talaga siya. Diba? Pero parang medyo may kamahalan dito, no? Kesa sa labas. Tara. Tsaka sa platinum. Pero if one want maghanap ng plus size, pwedeng-pwede na dito. Yan na. For formal events. Ito yung mga shirt, oh. Tingnan ako. Ah, mahal. 250 din. Yung tela. Pwede na. Pero syempre, hindi siya parang pang Uniqlo. Wow! Mao. Hello. Yes, how much for this one?
250.
450. Is it okay if we try? Okay to try?
You can like one.
No, to try?
Cannot
Fit?
try.
Ah, okay. 450. Parang medyo mahal pa.
450.
Oo. 800 plus.
Tama.
Pero kung gusto mo,
ใช่
kaso kasi,
แล้วก็มีไอ้ตัว
hindi mo ma-fit. Tara. Ito rin mo. 450. Ah, palda. Wow. Ang formal.
มีไซส์จ้าดูกันได้นะคะ
Wow. Hello. Oo. Ganda. How much? 950? Ang ganda. Ang ano, Boracay.
Pang Boracay.
Mahal. 1.8. They also have food court. Ah, pero unti lang. Check tayo dito. Oh, Veridonia. Okay. Maliit lang siya. Isa lang nabili natin. Labas na tayo sa Prato na. Okay. So, para makarating dito sa Krungtong Mall, ito yung Platinum Mall, yan. And then, tawid lang kayo. Ito yung Krungtong. Ito yung sa side na entrance. And then, ito pa Pratunam na to. So, para siyang Divisoria. Ito parang 168. Ito parang Divisoria sa labas. So, mainit talaga siya. Better, katulad namin, dala kayo ng maleta para hindi kayo mahirapan. Kasi marami kayong mapapamili. Ayan. Let's go! Ay, tanong natin to. Ano? Hello? How much for this one? How much for this one? 350. Last price.
Kasi 300 pa.
Okay. Thank you. Mahal yun. Hanap tayo iba. Ayaw ibigay. 150. This one is 130. And then 180 baht. Natawaran. 200 kapag isa lang. Natawaran ng 180. Pag dalawang kulay per color is 150 each. This one. 350 baht pag isa. Pag tatlo, wholesale is 270. Pwede na. Ito. May palda. Platinum Fashion Mall. And then, pag nag-overpass kayo, ito yung December. And then, doon, Krungtong Mall. So, ganito lang siya. Medyo traffic lang din kasi may ginagawa. I think another train system. So, dito papuntang Platinum Mall. Dito, Decembers tayo. So, pasok lang kayo dito. And then, ayan. Dito, December na. Wait lang. Let's go, ma. Ay, ang ganda ata nito. Wow. Sleeveless skirt. $250 baht. Ito mo, parang kang Aladdin dito. Oh. Ayun, pa-Aladdin na. Oo. 200. So, parang 400 din. Ito ma 150. Kaya nga. Ay, maganda oh. Kaso pampayat. Ay, ang cute din. Apalda. Ang cute oh. 250. Oh, ito ma. 590. Mas maganda yung ano. Ha.
Yung nandun na.
Uy, bongga to ah.
Mabigat. Mahirap. Hindi rin.
Can try? No try. Medyo unti yung tao ah. How much?
Gaganda ng mga blossom. Ang pang-sale.
พี่แหวนอันนี้เท่าไหร่อ่ะ ขายเท่าไหร่อ่ะ300
300. Only one size? Parang 600 na din. Kaya tayo? Kung ano. Medyo mahal yung iba. Ito maganda din. Next floor. 250? 350. Gusto ko white. Or parang okay din to. Pag wala ka ibang nabiling palda. Ah, you have size for this one?
One side.
Ah, one size only. Parang hindi naman kasya sa akin. Hindi ata kasya. Dito ma.
โฆษณาใครแลกเธอกับ Spotify Premium 3 เดือน
This one how much?
ในราคา
Jacket.
บาทและยกเลิกได้ทุกเมื่อ
400?
แตะแบนเนอร์เพื่อดูข้อมูลเพิ่มเติม
350 no? This one? You have size?
One side.
Ah, one size. Can I try? I know. I need to try. 350. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay.
ทุกบีททุกเซ็ตที่ยกและ
You have
ทุก
mirror?
ช่วงเวลาโดยไม่มีโฆษณาคัดไม่มีสิ่งรบกวน มีเพียงแค่พลังแห่งเสียงดนตรีล้วนๆสมัครพรีเมียม และรับสิทธิ์ใช้งาน3 เดือนในราคา 79 บาทยกเลิกได้ทุกเมื่อแตะแบนเนอ
อุ๊ย
ร์เพื่อดูข้อ
ganda
มูลเพิ่มเติม
Ang ganda. Pang Hong Kong. Taiwan. Only one.
This one?
Yes. You have new size? A new to stock?
Yes. 500.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes. Kapong ka. This one.
no, not much. Yes.
Correct. Okay, thank you. Kapong ka. Okay. Steel. Ganda na yun. Maganda yung tela. Nung ano. Okay, another one. Ito ma. Pero may onting ano siya sa ilalim. Ayaw mo ng ganyan. Ito, pajama. Okay, last floor for December. Mga formal. 300. Mga perfume sila. How much for Jo Malone? 1,800. Is this original?
Yeah, but this two year old stock.
Old stock?
Yeah, factory outlet. Can tell barcode in
This one, how much?
1,800.
1,800. Original kaya to? For diptyque. All the same price? Why is it so cheap?
Old stock and this expired date over after 1 year.
Over 1 year. Okay, thank you. Katakot, parang hindi naman ano. Cute na. Ito yung ano, 590. Ito medyo same.
Oo, ito medyo ano.
Kasi ganyan, yun yung pag ganon. 590. Ang ganda rin yung jacket nila. Ay, 350, 250. Okay, right now, not sure if last stop, but we are at Platinum Mall. So, check natin. Dito is aircon siya. So, marami ditong variety. Merong mga panglalaki, like that. So, ganda din. Aesthetic. Ito na muna. Wow! Ito.
Hindi na ako nungaan. Ako kanya.
7XL. So, meron din ditong for big size na men. Ayan, mga XL shirts. Uy, parang Uniqlo. So cute. For kids. Muay Thai short. Muay Thai yun, ma. Ang ganda. This one. Look at that.
Uy, nako, ang ganito.
Kaya nga. This one?
1,200 daw.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan. Custom tailor shop. Ito din. Kaya pala sabi ko hindi natin nakita dati. Ayan, meron silang pang malamig. That's good. Fourth floor, majority for men's section. So, meron namang size na regular size. Meron ding 4 plus size. So, makakapili talaga. Ito, mga men na naman. Ay, cute yung mga puffer kids. Oh.
Hindi yan mapagsusuot.
Uy,
Original ba yan?
syempre hindi. Pero mukhang original ah. You have this one long sleeve? Long sleeve?
No.
No long. How much for this one?
100.
Only 100.
Yeah.
Long sleeve. Free? Kapong ka! Si ate mo, girl. Sakit ang gila.
Okay lang naman.
Oh, naka-t-shirt
Ay, wait
kasi
lang.
siya.
Ayun, tinan nyo. May parang may...
Ano?
Naka-t-shirt siya.
$8.49. How much?
100 by 531.
Okay. Thank you. roti. Which is much better? This one or this one? This one.
Ayan nga. Ito pala ba?
Tom yum.
Hindi ka ba? Lasang yan ito. Sini. Malit lang.
What's this? Roti banana?
Chocolate roti.
How much? 100. Okay, one.
Banana.
Banana roti. It's for 100 baht. Nice. Woo!
Roti banana.
Look at this, too big. I thought it's pita. Oh. Can I have one more? Yeah, okay. Thank you. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Roti, 100 baht. Roti, 100 baht. Chicken chops for 100 baht. This one, 100 baht. And then 200 baht. Medyo mahal yung pad thai dito. Pero tingnan natin kung masarap.